Hello, welcome to QR tutorial. Today I want to share you guys how I draw this anime girl. I found a reference from a fashion magazine for today's drawing. Firstly, I draw a line on both the top and bottom of my drawing paper to decide the length of the figure. Then put another line across the middle for where I want the hips of the figure to be. Since I'm only drawing an anime character, it doesn't need to be proportionate to a real person. Following the photo, I'll draw a stick figure for her pose. We need to pay attention to the angle of the shoulders and hips to find out either the left or right side is higher, then figure out the angles of the arms and legs. I usually draw small circles for the joints like shoulder, elbows, and knees. When I'm done with the stick figure, I'll redraw the shape of the face with a cross inside. Then I start to draw her dress and get her body shape generally. In this process, it's okay if you wanna change the clothing style, but I'm gonna just follow what I see here. Since I want to simplify this tutorial, I'll skip drawing some details on this picture. Of course, you can take your time to get the details that you want. Drawing hands might be a little more difficult. We should try to look closely to the photo to get the shape right. Someday I might make another tutorial to show you how I draw hands. For the bottom part of the dress, you could also adjust it to be longer or shorter, slimmer or bigger, whatever style you want. You can design your own dress. When I have no ideas what to draw, I will look for reference from any source like this Japanese magazine. It gave me a lot of inspiration. I will strongly suggest you guys to do the same. Now I have a very general outline for this figure. I will go back to clear my sketchy lines, making it look more complete rather than just a draft, as well as adding more details. So this part will be taking longer to be done. Since this girl is in an anime style, there are lots of references you can find online to check how to draw eyes. Normally, you can make the eyes bigger than the actual size, so you don't have to follow the same way that I draw, especially I'm trying to simplify the eyes here. Reference is very helpful for your art. What we are able to see and learn daily is very limited. But for the reference we found might be from an expert. It could be a fashion designer, a professional hairstylist, or an actor, or whatever professionals. We can absorb a lot from them and brainstorm more ideas. You never thought that you are already creative enough because imagination is unlimited. We have so much to learn from the others. I'm gonna speed up this video because now I'm just doing line cleaning and adding a little bit of details. When I'm done, I will ink this picture. I'm using the Micron ink pen from Sakura. There are different sizes. I'm using size 01. The process of inking is very important. You're not just tracing the line drawing over again, you're actually defining your drawing to be more clear and detailed. You have to be especially careful on inking. Lots of people think that their picture look bad after inking. I will tell you the reasons. You might have been shaking when you ink because you're scared of making mistakes. And you know it's difficult to correct when you make mistakes. You simply do not have enough practice. And the speed and pressure you draw with the ink pen is unstable, making the thickness of the line unstable as well. All those reasons end up making the drawing worse than before it is inked. Inking is actually a very good way to train your hand drawing with consistent speed and pressure as well as accuracy. Now I'm coloring with color pencils. It doesn't matter which part you want to go first. I normally go with the skin color first, which is a light peach. Then I will use pink or coral for its shading. For the dress, you can use any colors you like and also add some patterns or designs on it. But this time, I will leave the dress plain for this video. And try your best to make the colors even. And you can also blend with different colors to make it look more interesting. Like this pink dress I have now, I will later blend with some yellow on the top to make it look brighter. For the darker shade of this dress, I'll apply more pink and mix with some purple to it. It is very easy to control color pencils, but you just need to be patient to color line by lines. Using color pencils could be tiring because it's not like painting. You cannot apply a big area in a short time. You can just do it little by little. On her white shirt, I will add some light purple for the shading rather than just leave it all white. You can use any color for anime character on the eyes. I'll use yellow and orange. And also remember to add the black pupils inside the eyes. Her eyes here are very small. I'm not able to add some more details inside. And for any parts you still want to add some more details like this book or even the background, you can just go for it. The last part is the leather boots. I'll depict the highlights since this leather is supposed to be shiny. I use dark brown for the boots and black for the shading. You can look into the reference you have and get where the highlight and shadings are. In the end, I'll put some shadow for this girl, so this simple drawing is already done. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.